Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Ford Transit battery. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, and disconnect the negative terminal first. Remove the battery hold down, lift the battery straight up, and place it on a tray or cardboard. Clean terminals with a brush and corrosion cleaner, fit the new 12V battery, tighten clamps evenly to avoid damage, and reconnect the positive terminal last to finish the job safely. Begin by disconnecting the negative terminal with a 10 mm wrench, then remove the positive terminal. Undo the hold-down clamp and any brackets securing the battery tray using correct sockets. Carefully lift the battery straight up with both hands, keeping it upright to prevent acid spills. Set the old battery on a stable surface away from children and pets. Inspect the tray and terminals for corrosion and clean them before installing the new battery. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with those leak-proof containers I mentioned for tidy lunches on the go, perfect for greasy hands after wrenching. They seal well, stack neatly, and save time between jobs. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and grab one if it helps your routine. Now let's get back to the video. Place the new 12V battery into the tray with terminals correctly oriented for your Ford Transit. Reinstall the hold-down clamp and tighten evenly to the specified snug fit, avoiding over-torquing. Reconnect the positive terminal first and then the negative terminal, ensuring clamps are secure and free of corrosion. Start the vehicle to confirm proper connection and check that dash lights reset correctly. Dispose of the old battery at a recycling center or auto shop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.